Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, and so on our 3-layer cake, we have our routines. And for Wednesday, our basic weekly plan is our planning and desk day and our zone. And this week, we're in zone 2, the kitchen. So let's start with routines. First of all, everybody get up. That's the key. Get out of the bed, put your feet on the floor, walk to the bathroom, and start your morning routine. Wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on some makeup, a little perfume, a little jewelry, put your clothes on. Wipe out the sink. That takes less time than putting on jewelry. Swish the toilet, same thing. Then go down to the kitchen or over to the kitchen or up to the kitchen and make yourself a little breakfast, a little tea, a little coffee. I'm assuming someone's still in the bed. If there's no one in the bed, hopefully you made your bed the very first thing. Okay, that's your morning routine. It's done, it's over. You don't have to do it again all day long. And it was a breeze, wasn't it? All right, next thing we're going to do is one of two things. We're either going to get the kids up to help with other morning chores and then do their routine, or we're going to do the morning chores ourselves, or we're going to get the kids up and do the morning chores after the kids. It's your call. Morning chores don't apply to everyone. It's only with people who have pets or a garden or maybe some type of a homestead lifestyle. All right, so you know what those chores are, and make sure you make them quick and easy. Get them done. You can do the other stuff later. If there are other things you want to do, like clean the barn or whatever, this is not the time. These are morning chores: feeding, gathering, pulling weeds, whatever, just quickie things. All right, come on in and get those kids off to school or down to homeschooling or whatever it is you do. If you don't have kids, that's great too. It's all great. And then I want you to, if you are staying at home, start with I'm missing my nail polish, so we'll use this hand. The second thing, the basic weekly plan, which is planning and desk day. So you're going to go straight to the refrigerator. Now, for those of you who are going to work, I hope you're listening to this morning while you're getting ready. I want you to also, while you're in the kitchen, open your fridge. We're going to take a look in there, and we're going to see what it is that we might need and jot it down. If you haven't been keeping a list on the fridge, I highly recommend that. As you run out of peppercorns or salt or eggs or whatever it is, you write it down. It doesn't have to be things that are in the fridge. Paper towels, whatever. Put it on there so you've got to start so you don't forget about those things. But look and see what needs to go, get it out of the fridge, and then look and see what you're going to be able to use for meals this week in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. And if you don't have time to write it down, take a quick photo so you could take it to work with you. It's on your phone. How easy is that? Just delete it later. You don't need thousands of pictures of your pantry. But you know what I want you guys to do is take some stock of what's in there. Make your menu. Remember, a menu is 3 things. It doesn't matter what combination you do, but at least 3 things. Some type of protein, some type of carb, and some type of veggie, like a green veggie or an orange veggie, or hopefully both. Those colorful things are really good for you. All right, and then make your menu based on what you don't have. You know, finish out the menu, and then make your grocery list based on what you're missing, okay? And whatever else you put on that little list on the outside of the fridge. All right, now that works really well if everyone puts it on there. So sometimes your family slips, sometimes you slip. It's all okay, still take a look. Oh yeah, Tabasco, I don't have that, or this is empty, or the jelly, or whatever. Also take a moment with a warm washcloth or some kind of a wipe to wipe down the little spills in the fridge, the little circles, and maybe put 2 paper towels, 1 in each of the bins, so you have a nice clean bin there. Oh, that's Alexa, hold on. Alexa, thank you, stop. Alexa, stop. Firm but kind. So then after that, you're going to make your grocery list. All right. And so when you make your grocery list, you're going to go and sit at your desk and make your budget, or look at your budget and see if you're staying under based on what you purchased. Make the amounts you think it's going to be. Try to stay under. We're trying to live under under our means. That's the best way. Okay, so make your grocery list, stay under. If you're over, change something. If that's on sale, use it instead of this, which is not on sale. You know, look around. You're going to have to look. You have to go on your phone and see what's on sale at your grocery store. What can you replace with the more expensive items? Okay, next, you're going to make sure your bills are all paid, and you're going to balance your checking account. It's that easy. Now, I also want you to take out your planner and finish planning out this week if you have some holes and some things have changed. It's midweek, so finish planning out your week. Write down the menus that you're going to have for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, because you've already figured them out. Put them in your book, right? And don't forget to also use your book on Sunday, and then look at it. That's the key, looking at it every night before bed and first thing in the morning is part of your morning routine. I never tell you that, but it is part of your morning routine. Okay, next thing we're going to do is, let me talk for just a minute. Oh, I hope you started your laundry if you're at home. Start your laundry and go through an inch of your paper while the laundry is going. Okay, now stop for just a minute. Payroll fly babies. You're going to do the same thing. You took a picture, you're going to make your menu, you're going to balance your checkbook, you're going to make sure your bills are paid all on your lunch hour or your breaks. Very easy. You can do it. I did it for many, many years. I know it can be done, and it's not impossible. You can do this. All right, next, we're going to work on the zone, the third layer, the kitchen. So at-homers, my lions living in your new strength. You're going to go in there and you're going to do 15 minutes in your kitchen of decluttering, or you're going to pick one or two things and deep clean up to 15 minutes. It could be 5 minutes. It doesn't matter. You're doing something every day you're in the zone except your free day, okay? And not on Saturday and Sunday because you're at home. You're getting it all done. An hour in your kitchen is plenty. And that's what 4 days of 15 minutes is, maybe less. Okay, now, payroll fly babies, when you come home, you're going to start your laundry, keep your ear out so you can put it in the dryer, and then take it and fold it and put it away. 7-minute project. Take it, fold it, put it away. You can do it, or hang it up and put it away. Don't be a perfectionist about this. Stop that. Get it done. All right, while dinner is cooking, you're going to go ahead and start dinner. While it's simmering, you're going to do your zone. Okay, you're going to do your zone. Now, if you have not delegated your weekly home blessing hour, then the third thing you're going to do today is you're going to dust. So get your duster and dust your house real quick. 10 minutes tops, probably less. And that's all you're going to do today. Or delegate that duty. Children can totally do that. Okay. If not, you're choosing to do it on the weekend. That's great. If you choose not to clean your kitchen and you choose just to stand in the kitchen and look at your pot while it boils, that's great. You can do it. It doesn't matter. But you will be doing it on Saturday. Okay, last thing. Everybody's coming together after dinner. We're doing our after dinner routine together. And then after that, we are going to do our before bed routine. Don't forget to check your planner. Have a beautiful day. Always remember that you are beautiful. And I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.